So previous video we showed you a customer who came over with a roof mount that was not attached properly to the roof. All the wires, all the system was hanging, and as we can see, the previous installer done lots and lots of screws just to try to fit it. So what we have done, we cut the center of the liner, and we have installed a piece of wood that is connected to the rolling bar above. So that means it's strongest piece on the roof. It will not shake, it will not move. By putting the piece of wood now, we're gonna take the bracket that holds the DVD, we're gonna attach it to the piece of wood, and that way it will not shake, it will not fall, and obviously it's gonna last much longer with no danger of that falling down. The liner is a piece of fabric from shaking and from vibration, and if you have potholes on the road, the screws pretty much tearing up the fabric, and this is why it fell down. The wood will not have that situation, it will just stay there forever. This is why you pay shop premiums for professional installation. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.